Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday. It's really warm out, and I thought I'd plant a few flowers that I had left over. I got a couple planters here, so I was going to show you what I was going to do, put them in. So come on along for a little adventure. Okay, I got this other pot. I've had this on the deck. It's already got topsoil and it had a tree growing in it. But that tree did not survive the winter. It was an indoor tree, actually. And the cats wanted to try and use this as their litter box. So I thought, no, don't need it. So I got some flowers here yet. These are actually going to be purple when they blossom some more. You can see these are wave petunias, spreading petunias. So I'm just gonna plant some in here, and I got some other pots here to plant the rest in. Mix this dirt up really good. I'll have to water these pretty good. They got some rain, but not very much. They're pretty dry, but I think they'll be okay. I think I'm just gonna plant 3 in this pot here and then put it back on the deck. And then I'll put some water to it, and they should take back off. I gave Jody from Marketplace Boutique a bunch of these, and I planted a bunch around my house. Them look really good. I'll show you them in a little bit. There, got that one planted. I think they'll come back. I think they'll be all right. So I got some other pots here, smaller ones. Got some topsoil. Don't let it really take off. Making a mess of my tailgate. Oh well. I think I can only plant 2 in these. These are smaller pots. I think these will fill out really nice. Probably put some of this in this other one. Leave it up some. Making a mess. Probably should have done this on the ground. Oh well. There, I got these planted. I'll have to go get a little bit more dirt to put in this one. And I got some more dirt in this one. I'm gonna plant these last three together. They're pretty small. So I hope they'll take off. There we go. I think they'll be okay. There we go. Most of your like Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, they'll actually take these plastic trays back for recycling. The companies that deliver flowers like I do, we'll take them actually back and recycle them. So, alright, I got these all planted. I brought them over here by my deck because I got more flowers up here. We're gonna water these generously so that they hopefully that they take hold and we'll blossom some. We'll come up here. Got some more up here. These I planted back in the spring. I found that putting some wood chips in the bottom of these pots not only takes up space, but it will help hold the moisture in. Yeah, these are a little dry. These should perk up. I got some more over there. Gotta get these toys out of the way that Susan was upset with yesterday. She did not like them floating around in the pool. I'm gonna put these other flowers up, the ones I just planted, I'm gonna put them on my upper deck. There really ain't nothing up there. Let's go out here and water these other flowers over here for a minute. They could use a little drink. Even though we got rain yesterday, it wasn't very much. Well, it being pretty dry now again. The road's making dust already. There. Got them all watered. We'll give these another shot again. We'll give these all another shot of water. There, now I can put them up on the deck. There, now we got these sitting up here. What you did not see was I tripped on one of them steps and accidentally dumped one out and had to redo it. Whoops. Hope you guys enjoyed this little planting video. It's not much, but it's something. So have a nice day. Here's my flowers I planted this spring. These things are really doing good. These are what that's what these other ones are gonna look like. I got a hanging basket right here, which is really nice. I got a wind chime over there. See the wind chime? There's the wind chime. I want to make a big wind chime. So, and I got some more flowers over here. Oh, my bird feeder's empty. I don't think I have any bird feed. Oh, I'm gonna have to pull some weeds here. So, gonna pull weeds here, but I got hostices around the front. I got a cherry tree. I got some pretty red bushes there. So, yeah, I got some Japanese maples. One there, one there, one there. So, hope you guys like my flower gardens I have. Have a good day.